we're in our environment here, and over here on the right, you see we've got these different instructions, right? I'm going to just come over here and pick an instruction. It doesn't really matter which one. Let's go ahead and pull this p-trig in, because that's one that we'll end up talking about. And I'm going to highlight this and just hit F1. And on your keyboard, maybe you have to hit function F1 or control F1 or something like that. So if F1 does something else, try alt F1 or something like that. I'm on a crappy MacBook Pro, so I have to hit function F1. But anyway, once I do, here we go. We've got the help menu up that goes into all the details about that instruction. Look here. Refer to sample library for instructions. Yes, there are sample libraries, overview of the data types, memory area for the 1500, memory for the 1200, and this is fully searchable. So if I want to know about PIDs, I type PID, and look, here's all kinds of different articles about PID. It really is awesome. If I want to know about data types, I can come over here into this tree view. Look, I've got integers, floating point numbers, timers. I can really get lots and lots and lots of information out of here.